Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the ZT0393 here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this? That's a pretty cool one. It's a titanium frame lock designed by Rick Hinder, and it's like the counterpart of the Eclipse, basically, which is the Hinder version of this ZT version. So very interesting knife. There's a couple things I really love about this one, a couple that I would have preferred to be different, but yeah, I mean, nonetheless, let's just quickly check the size on this guy in centimeters. This guy is going to be 21 centimeters overall in length, with a 8.3 inch long in overall in length, and the blade is going to be 3.5 inches, equivalent to 9 centimeters, and the handle, let's say from tip to toe, it's going to be 4.8 inches, which correspond to 12.3 centimeters. So it's a medium-sized knife, of course, 3.5 inch long blade. In this case, it's using a 20 CV steel, and you've got I would call this like a frame lock. I mean, you have this overlays, I mean, G10, nicely sculpted, but I wouldn't define this like a liner lock. I don't know, let me know in the comments, but still, it has a titanium frame with coupled standoffs, tip-up carry, only titanium pocket clip. In this case, this comes from an XM18, I guess, so it's not the clip, and also this guy over here, but it just matches the overall colors of this knife, and it's a flipper. It has a very cool blade, dual tone finish, 20 CV steel, nice harpoon. Look at this compound grind, guys. The action is also really good. Sounds like a ZT. Yeah, it's nice and clacky. And also the thing that I really appreciate is the feel. Like in the hand, this guy feels great. I love this dimple, like this kind of like indentation here right before the jimping. It just feels great in the hand. Nice finger grooves. I mean, Hinder is pretty good with handle ergos, and this one doesn't make an exception. It's really well done. Also, the action is nicely dialed in. I just wish that you see the flipper tab, if you just if you disengage the lock bar at this point, yeah, you can overcome the point where the detent ball hits the tag and just goes on top on the detent ball track, and then you can just enjoy the gliding action. But I wish that was like maybe a detent ball ramp to avoid the blade just hanging up here like that, you see. Then you have to do like a disengagement a little bit lower, but that's probably just me nitpicking. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.